Hello guys and welcome back to a new video in our channel Order Flow with Ethan. So this is the workshop number 4 analyzing the market of the S&P 500 futures on the 21st April. So this is exactly 3 minutes after the opening, and yes, the rule is do not take a position on the first 5 minutes. We're gonna start analyzing the market exactly after 5 minutes within the opening. So let's see the volume profile. The high volume is concentrated here. Let's wait for the market to see what's going to happen in today. So as far, I guess volatility is still low also for the day, okay? And what I don't like is trading on a market with low volume, because you can never know what to expect from a similar market. So I hope you guys have a great day, and yes, let's see what the market is holding for us today. So welcome guys, welcome to this great video where we're going to be analyzing everything related to the market today. So thank you guys, and thank you so much for your time. So far I don't see anything interesting in this market except for this candlestick here, 1001 delta. Equality. That's pure equality in the market, just for the love of the game. Same thing for this candlestick. Alright, so I don't know what's wrong with this market here, but let's see. So it's going down for now. It's been 5 minutes now since the opening. Oh, it turned. Okay. Yeah, that is why I hate markets with low volatility. That's the problem. You can never know what's the next move. Yes, we've had great three candlesticks, but then it wasn't it. Okay, so as you can see, the conditions are quite not so good, but we're going to look for opportunities here. Market is moving quite fast, I suppose so. Okay, so we've had this great candlesticks. Let's see what the market is going to do next. Okay, so what's next for the market? Yes, trapped some sellers, got their liquidity, and maybe next it's going up. Okay guys, so I guess something new that I should add is that after each reversal, after each potential trade, the market just gives a small red candlesticks, just one red candlestick here, just to get some traders out of the market. Then it starts going up again. So maybe that's new technology, something new in the market that I don't know how does it work, but it seems to work for the market. That's how it gets liquidity nowadays. Delta divergence here. All right, I see. Yes, so clearly no setup happening here. So yes, we've got two POCs at the same level. Yes, I don't think the conditions are good today. So far, I didn't see any worthy position. Okay. Yes, not really. Nothing wonderful. Nothing out of the world. It's just same concepts happening all over. Let's speed it up for a bit to see what's going to happen next. So we've had this amazing candlestick here, great volume, went up. So green candlestick again with a red delta minus 130. That's 20% of the whole volume percentage. Same thing here once again. Oh, so just had to speed it up so you can show me stuff. Okay, so here we've had this 3 in delta, but the volume was low, so I'm not gonna consider it a good trading opportunity. Same thing here. So as you can see, twice the market gave us a green candlestick with a negative delta, more so, not so negative, but it was alrighty, news happening now. So as you can see here, well, the market just gives us again this POC thing I've already told you about. So if you analyze it through POCs, you're gonna have a better edge of the market. See, it went down, went upper. So because this is where the volume is concentrated. I mean, the whole thing you see here, the difference was made through the POC, not the actual candlestick. The POC decides everything for a chart, for a candlestick chart, okay? For a given candlestick in general, it's the POC that gives it its value. Same thing here, wherever you go, you're gonna find that the POC is the point that decides the next move for a given chart. So, but for now, I guess there's no trade that was worthy, like something that would say, oh, that was actually a good trade. Like that was something, I would say, good. So far, we didn't see any good trade, right? That is why we gotta wait. We gotta be waiting for a better opportunity before taking a trade. Yes, still nothing happening yet. We just have to wait until we see some opportunity to take an actual trade. Yes, I would say there was nothing good. Like, I mean, I want you guys to understand that this happens most of the time. So this could be potentially no, not it. So as I said, not taking a trade is a trade itself because I mean most of the trades here they give us good signs, but in the end they don't succeed, they fail. Maybe it's because of the low volume that we have on the market today. Like we just shouldn't think all the trades gotta be worthy. It doesn't work like that in the order flow. Sometimes the opportunities that you think were good are actually not that good. So that is why always analyze first. Take your time. If it's not a good trade, don't trade it. It's better to not lose money than losing money, you know. You tell me no, I need to trade, etc., etc. Well, not most of the time. Like this was potentially the only nice setup I saw this whole day, okay? 30 minutes, 20 minutes of trading. This was the only setup that was worth it. I mean, as you can see, negative delta, very, very negative one with a red candles, the green candlestick just shows you how the buyers got in the end, went to the POC level, but then went up. But actually, if I was on the market, I wouldn't have taken that position because I don't see a clear setup that the market is likely going to succeed, right? So that is why I don't think you should be taking every single trade in the market. Take when the market's going up, trade when the market is going down. Doesn't work like that because if you do, you will never make it out of trading. This is the next ray chart where we look for high quality AA plus setups only. We don't welcome low quality setups here anymore. Just something of quality. So thank you guys for your time watching this video with you. A quick analysis of the first 15 minutes to see what happened in the day. So this was the workshop number 4, and thank you. Have a great day for you all, and yes, I'll see you in the next video. This was Ethan from Order Flow with Ethan. Goodbye.